Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we'll discuss how to make Chrome default browser on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. To make Google Chrome the default browser, first of all, we have to install the Google Chrome browser. For that, simply open Safari browser and visit Chrome download page. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. Here click on download Chrome and it will download the installer file. So wait for the download process to complete. Once the download has been completed, simply open it. Let me minimize the browser. Simply drag Google Chrome icon to the applications folder and it will install Google Chrome on your system. After that, simply close the window and click on Launchpad. Now here you can see Google Chrome browser is installed on our macOS. Now to make it default, simply open System Settings, simply click on Desktop and Dock, scroll down. Here you will find the option Default Browser. From the drop-down menu, simply select Google Chrome. There is also another method to make Google Chrome the default browser. For that, simply open Google Chrome, click on three-dot icon, then click on Settings. Here click on this menu icon. Here you will find the option called Default Browser. Simply click on it and click on Make Default. And here simply click on Use Chrome. So that's it. This is how you can make Chrome the default browser on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.